Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you're well. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a little math art. Have you ever heard of such a thing? We are going to make tessellations. So you just need a couple of things. You need a piece of paper. So I have a green piece of paper. You need an index card. You need some scissors, some tape, and a pen. Okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. So you need to start with an index card. You probably, to make the best tessellation, you want to use less than half of an index card. So maybe 30% of it. It's a math class, 30% of it. All right, so let me tell you exactly what you're going to do. So on one side, you're going to cut out a little design from corner to corner, and then we're going to take that piece, move it over here, and we're going to tape it. So with your scissors, you're going to go from one corner, any little design you want to do. So now you're going to go, you take it from here, move it straight across, and you're going to tape it. Just like that, straight across. So I'm going to have to put this down and tape it. All right, so I taped it on this side. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the top or bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on the top. It doesn't matter. I can do it on the top or bottom. And I'm going to go from one corner to the other corner. So I cut it again from one corner to the next corner. And now I'm going to move it straight down. And I'm going to tape it right there, okay? Just like that. So I'm going to put my card down, I'm going to tape it. All right, so this is my tessellation. Yours will look a little similar, but they'll all be unique because we're all going to be cutting a little bit differently. So now you're going to take your tessellation. Now, if you don't move it straight across or straight down, it's not going to work out, okay? So now that you have your pattern, you're going to put your pattern, and you could even, so hold on. So you can even make your card a little smaller, and you can get even more patterns on your paper. So you're going to take your pattern, you're going to put it in the center of your paper, and you're going to trace it. All right, so I traced it with my pen. Now, no matter which direction I move it, it's going to fit. Oh, you can't see that very well. All right, so I have, this is how I drew it, right? And no matter if I move it up, my next one will fit right into this one. So I'm going to move it up here and I'm going to trace it. And then I'm going to move it down here, over here. See how it fits perfectly in there? And I'm going to trace it again. If I move it over here on this side, it's going to fit just like that. And if I move it down here, it's going to fit into that pattern exactly like that. And I'm going to trace the same pattern over and over and over. And then when I'm done, it's going to be a neat pattern on my paper. Now, the thing that makes it look the best is if you then will take markers or crayons and you make designs throughout all the patterns. When we were in our other building, I had my students make tessellations once a year, and I would laminate them and then I would stick them on my roof. So I had artwork on my roof all the time, and so I loved it. Or not on the roof, but on the ceiling tiles. All right, so I want you guys to take some time. I'm giving you about 2.5, 3 days to do this. So make your tessellation. Like I said, the smaller you make your index card, the more patterns you can get on your paper. Trace it, fill up the whole paper by moving your pattern constantly until the page is full, and then use some, you know, some bright colors, some markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you have, and see how cool you can make your design. When you're done, you're going to take a picture of your paper when it's finished, and you're going to send it to me through my Canvas inbox so I can see all of your cool math tessellation artwork. All right. I hope you guys enjoy the activity, and I want to see how creative you guys are. I can't wait to see your artwork. So send it to me. All right. See you later.